My name is Zina.
And my name is Dina. We're from Ishik Nilufer Schools High School. So our project is called the flood guard drain system. It's a smart drainage solution, and we designed this to reduce the amount of flood that happens in cities and residential areas. As we know in Kurdistan, flooding happens so regularly, and it's all due to plastic, mud, trash that clog or let's say block the drains. And that time, rainwater cannot flow properly through the drains and causes a massive flood.
So this project works during a rainfall. When there is a rain, the head of the drain opens automatically via a remotely activated control system. And inside the drain, there is a cutter mechanism that helps to chop the debris such as leaf, mud, and plastics. It prevents us from blockages and reduces the flood. Our aim is to keep our community safe and reduce the flood from maybe 80% to 20%.
You might wonder, where did we got this idea from?
So we got this idea from Chomchoma several months ago to help our community safe. We try to come with a solution and keep our community safe and reduce flood.
In conclusion, our project offers a simple but an effective way to protect the homes, keep drains clear, and also make the cities easier during heavy rainfall.
Thanks, Rose.